5 Beauty Tricks Before a First Date. We know that the first date is the most important of all and that you must look perfect from head to toe, so we have left you 5 beauty tricks before that special occasion, which will help you to see yourself like a queen. 1. Skin. Our face is our business card and the skin that covers it is usually the most delicate, so we must make sure to keep it well nourished and hydrated, to prevent it from cracking or producing imperfections that later are more difficult to hide. If you want to look more natural and radiant on your first date, apply a moisturizing mask on your face a couple of days before the expected date, so that you reduce your dryness, and make sure you drink enough water to prevent the skin from getting dehydrated and opaque or not very smooth. To give the final touch of beauty to your face, apply a little moisturizer before putting your makeup on, and thus you will achieve a much more natural and attractive finish. 2. Make your hair look soft and shiny. In addition to the face, the hair is another thing which we must take care of before a special date, making sure that it looks silky, bright and, especially, natural. For this, we recommend you applying a moisturizing mask for a couple of days prior and avoid the excessive use of dryers, irons, and curling irons to prevent the hair from burning or getting damaged, because then it will be harder to repair the damage. You can prepare your own homemade masks with natural ingredients, such as almond oil and avocado, egg yolks and olive oil, or crushed tomatoes and cornmeal. It will not cost much and you will see that the effect will be really great. 3. Say goodbye to unnecessary hairs. A first date requires that you get the best out of yourself and, in these cases, hair removal is not an option, it is rather a priority. To look really perfect, you should see that your eyebrows are well contoured and make sure you remove that fine and unwanted hair that appears on the upper lip. Besides the face, you should also remove the hair from your legs, armpits and, why not, the hair in the bikini area, since you never know what might happen on a first date and it is better to be well prepared. Of course, try to shave at least 2 days before, to avoid redness in the skin. 4. Achieve an impact look. The eyes are the window of the soul, and if you want your boy to fall at your feet, you must surprise him with your eyes, achieving long and shiny eyelashes that highlight your beauty. To do so, just apply a little castor oil on your lashes 2 days before the date, and let it act throughout the night, so that your eyelashes are hydrated, strengthened and grow healthy and beautiful. 5. Get enough rest. It may not seem so important, but you should know that tiredness does not feel good at all because it makes the dark circles visible and reduces the shine and softness of the skin. So, make sure you get enough sleep the day before your date, so you wake up refreshed and ready for the big day. Now that you have these 5 beauty tricks before a first date, you can look spectacular in your special moment and steal all eyes for yourself. Learn how to get a boyfriend. Click or tap the link on or below this video to download this free ebook.